I've been analyzing Silverados for 15 years, and I know a shop owner who sees hundreds of trucks every month. He told me something important. There are 3 years that never come back with serious problems. 3 years that owners keep forever. If you own one of these 3, you got it right. You're lucky. Subscribe now. Comment your year with miles. Let's find out if you're part of the club. Shop owners see everything. 2020 plus with problems, 2014 plus coming back, 1990s rusting out. But there are 3 years that are different. 3 years that hit 200,000, 300,000, 400,000 miles and keep going strong. Owners of these 3 years never sell. They know what they have. Today, you'll discover if yours is one of them. 3 years, 3 reasons. Let's go. First year, 2011. If you own a 2011, congratulations, you caught the year of change. GM launched a new transmission this year, 6L80. Strong, smooth, built to last. Your 2011, first year of the perfect trans. While 2007 through 2010 had the 4L60 that worked but was weaker, your 2011 came with an upgrade. Shop owner sees 2011, he smiles, knows it won't give trouble. You own 2011, you have reliability. You have the first year of the modern era. While previous years are good, yours has this extra. New trans, strong, smooth. Mechanics know, fleets seek them out. Auctions pay more. Why? Because 2011 works. 200,000 miles, normal. 300,000, common. You didn't buy a truck. You bought peace of mind. 2012. If you own a 2012, you caught the refinement. GM took feedback from 2011, adjusted, improved, refined. Your 2012, perfect evolution. All bugs from 2011 fixed, all improvements applied. Production at its peak, quality consistent, zero rush. Shop owner says 2012 is the year everyone should have bought. Why? Because GM still had high standards, still hadn't cut costs, still hadn't rushed production. You own 2012, you caught the sweet spot. 6L80 trans matured. No first-year issues. 5.3 engine refined. Electronics still simple, not complicated like 2014 plus. That's why shop owners see 2012 arriving with 300,000 miles and still running perfect. 2012 owners, most loyal of all. Never sell. Know they won't find better. You have rarity. You have the year professionals choose. 2013. If you own a 2013, you caught the last of the good ones. Why? Because after 2013, everything changed. 2014, GM launched aggressive AFM. More problems, more complexity. But your 2013 escaped that, last year before the changes. Shop owner says 2013 is where I stop. After that, I don't recommend anymore. Your 2013 has everything. Matured 6L80 trans, perfect 5.3 engine, electronics still simple, not complicated like 2014 plus. That's why shop owners see 2013 arriving with 300,000 miles and still running perfect. 2012 owners, most loyal of all. Never sell. Know they won't find better. You have rarity. You have the year professionals choose. While 2014 plus has drama, yours runs smooth. While others go back to the shop, yours just needs oil changes. You have gold. You have what everyone wants. 2011, 2012, 2013. 3 years, one perfect generation. Shop owners see hundreds of trucks. These 3, always strong, always running, always worth it. If you own one of these 3, you didn't buy a truck by accident. You got it right, even without knowing. While other years are good, these 3 are the best of the 2010 decade. You're part of a special club, the club of the lucky ones, the ones who chose right. Now I want to know, which of the 3 do you have? Comment year with miles now. 2011? Comment. 2012? Comment. 2013? Comment. And if you own a different year that's also strong, comment too. Let's celebrate all the good Silverados. Like this video, share with friends who own Silverados. Next video, other years that are also gold. Stay tuned. You chose right. You're lucky. See you next time, Silverado family.